How to go completely and totally viral on Quora. That is all I want to tell you in this video. We're going to get straight into it. I'm not going to do the whole intro. Here on my laptop you can see I've got Quora here. Clearly you know what it is, otherwise you wouldn't have searched how to go viral on Quora and how to get your answers seen by thousands. So I just want to show you this method, okay? And this method is really straight to the point, and the reason I'm making this video is just because I couldn't find anyone else who was doing something similar with this kind of information, and I wanted to tell you. So first I'm going to show you, I told this method to my brother Josh, and he posted an answer, and within 24 hours he had over 20,000 views. And you can see here he's now on 36,000 views, and he only posted this answer, I believe it was Thursday or Friday, and he's already on 36,000 views. It's insane. This really makes you go viral. And then for me, I posted an answer with the exact same tactics, and I've got 15,000 views. So this really skyrockets your Quora answers. So how do we do it? So let's just go into it. We go into Quora, right? And then click your picture at the top and go to Ads Manager. If you haven't set up an Ads Manager on Quora, you have got to do that first. So set up an Ads Manager. Once you do that, it will take you to your ads account. So click Create Campaign, right? And again, I wanted to get straight into the point with this video. So once you created your campaign, once you click Create Campaign, just go through and click Test, or write Test. Conversion doesn't matter. Conversion type, it doesn't matter. Amount, it doesn't matter. We're not actually going to run any ads. We're not actually going to spend any money. This is just so we can see which Quora answers get the most amount of views. Because if you go to Quora, right, let's just go quickly back to Quora, and we want to answer questions in the make money online niche, right? So we go to make money online, it's got a lot of followers, and we go through. So let's have a look. Every time you press a button, you earn $1 but lose a minute of your life. How many times will you press that button? I mean, this is a stupid question. Here we go. How can I earn $30 to $50 per day online? This seems like a good question, something I would want to answer because it's in my niche. It would get people interested in what I have to offer in the overall, just in my general niche. So I want to show that I can actually answer this question. So I would click this, and it's got 1,200 followers. I've actually written an answer for it, but it's got 1,200 followers and 100 plus answers. Now, I have no idea how many views this post is getting per week. It doesn't say anywhere. There's no way to find that out. And it doesn't matter if a post has 10,000 followers and hundreds of answers, because that could be from a while ago, right? We don't know if that post is still popular to this day. That could have been popular 2-3 months ago. Now, this whole ad idea that I'm telling you, so let's go to back to this tab, right? So I'm back on Create a Campaign, okay? This whole idea is to see what's popular in the here and now. So, questions. Once we're here, this is the second page. You don't have to bother naming your ad set. We want to go from targeting type from topics all the way to questions. Once you've done that, you want to click bulk ad, right? Now that you've done bulk ad, we want to just put one word there, or maybe 2 words. So let's say business. Okay, click continue, and this will bring up all the questions, right? It will bring up all the questions that are related to business. So what dirty business tactics do you know? So that's my question. That's got 14 or 15,000 views now, and have a look, 20 to 30,000 weekly views, right? So I know that question to this day is getting 20 to 30,000 views on Quora. Another one, what is the cheapest business to start? 2,500 to 3,500 views. Now, if you're just trying to find a question on our own or doing it that way, right, we could answer, how do I start a dropshipping business? And think, this is a great question, right? However, it's only got 100 to 200 views. I think I just got another upvote on that question. It's crazy. It's really crazy. My Quora has been blowing up with this tactic. So how do I start dropshipping business? You think, oh, this could be a good question. As soon as you come to the Quora website and you find out how to do it through setting up an ad and seeing what's popular, you'll actually find out that how do I start a dropshipping business only gets 100 to 200 views per week. So you probably don't want to waste your time answering that question. Instead, you want to answer this one. From 1,500 views to 2,500 views, what are some ways to start a business? All the way to the 20 to 30,000. Now, this is only 3 questions. You want to answer a lot of questions on Quora, so what do you do? Well, let's go back and put the word in how, right? Just change the word up a bit. What comes up there? So, well, You don't want to answer questions that aren't relevant, so you're not going to answer how hard does puberty hit you, because it's not relevant at all. What's the best way to lose weight? Also not really relevant, unless that's your niche, obviously. How can you identify intelligent people? That could be relevant. What's the easiest way to make money online? That can be relevant. How do top students study? That is relevant. What can I do to become smarter? That is relevant. And let's say you're in the fitness niche, right? Just put the word fitness in there, see what comes up. Can anybody share their fat to fit journey? Brilliant. 10 to 15,000 views. Easy, right? Lose weight. Let's put lose weight in there. Do you see where I'm going with this? Do you see the power of this? What are the best ways to lose weight? 15 to 20,000 views. How did you lose weight as a teenager? 3.5 to 4,500 views. How can I lose weight quickly? 3,000 to 4,000. This is so much exposure to you, to your answers, and eventually to your profile. And then on your profile, if you have a look at my profile, you can have all the links, all your bio, everything you actually need. Look, I run a YouTube channel, I talk about my Amazon business, I've got my LinkedIn, I've got the strategy call. So this is really, really useful. And you can see that this is getting me 23,000 views just this month, and it's actually going up drastically. My brother Joshua, when I told him this tactic, his views this month went straight up to about 36,000 because of that one answer. It's ridiculous. So anyway, that is what you do. So now, once you've done all of that, you don't have to actually create the ad. You can just exit out of this page, right? Done. That page is gone. But what you would do is, let me quickly go back to that page and actually show you, is you would, let's have a look. So bulk ad, let's do bulk ad business. So what you would do is you would open, go back to bulk ad questions, business. Okay, so what you would actually now do is click on that, it will open it in a new tab. You'll click on this one, it will open it in a new tab. And once you've done that, you've got all the questions in a new tab, right? And you would just click here, 3 buttons, and go answer later. So you can see I've already clicked answer later because I know I want to answer it later. And that way you can build a whole group of questions to answer later. And then you can do 1 or 2 answers every single day. It will take you about half an hour to an hour. But it's incredible how many views you can actually get and how drastic it is for your business in terms of just so many new eyeballs coming to your business, finding out that you're actually very knowledgeable in a certain area, and then wanting to find out more from you. So maybe going to your YouTube account, or going to your Instagram, or maybe even just replying to you on here, or sending you an email. But the point is, you are spreading knowledge on this website, and it's getting viewed by thousands and thousands of people, rather than find an answer yourself, think it's a good one, and spend half an hour to an hour answering it, and it only gets viewed by 15, 20 people. And I have answers that have maybe 20 or 30 views before I figured out this tactic. So definitely go and try that out. If you like it, leave a comment down below, tell me what you think. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you like videos like this, I've said like a lot now, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.